Hi friends, welcome to Priyanka Art Create. Now join 5 and 25 strips and make a small 2 tight coils of 25 strips. Take one tight coil and now I have attached chocolate color ball chains as a rudraksha to decorate the Lord Shiva like this. Now again join 5 and 2.5 strips and make a tight coil and make a cone shape. Then I'm making hands for Lord Shiva. Now apply glue inside the hands. Now again join 5 mm 3 mm two strips and take a pencil and make a cone shape. Make little bit bigger compared to another hand. Now apply glue inside the cone. Here I am making next for Lord Shiva. Here I am making Annapurna Devi concept. Now apply glue on the first small coil also. Now connect the small dome with the bigger cone like this. Now connect the bigger hand with smaller hand like this. Hand is ready. With the same procedure make another one also. Now again join 3 mm 2 strips and make a palm. Now apply glue and connect this palm to the hand like this. With the same procedure I have made another one also. I have colored and I have attached rudraksha for the hands also like this. Now apply glue and connect hands to the base idol of Lord Shiva like this. Let it dry for some time. It will take some time to dry. Let it dry for some time. Now here I am making a snake for Lord Shiva. Now take a black color piece of paper and apply glue and just roll it and make in a small thread shape like this. Here I am making snake look. Just rotate around the neck of the Lord Shiva and apply glue and place it in the neck side like this. It will be the snake for Lord Shiva. Now now let it dry for some time. Now again join 3 mm 12 strips and make a tight coil and make small dome shape. Then apply glue. Here I am making Bhikshapatra. Now place this Bhikshapatra on the hands of Lord Shiva. Now here I am making face. Join 3 mm and 5 mm 10 strips of each tight coil and make a dome shape. Now take a black color paper and just make a small dome shape. It should be little bit bigger. Now apply glue inside the domes and spread it neatly with the help of brush or hands. Let it dry for some time. After drying, connect the two domes like this. Here I am making face for Lord Shiva. Now connect the rudraksha. Connect ball chains around the head part like this to decorate the hair. Now here I am making half moon. Join 3 mm 1 strip and just wrap it to give a nice half moon shape and connect this half moon on the head part of the Lord Shiva. Now connect the nose and ears for Lord Shiva. Now ears are ready. Now connect the nose. For some time now